Hello everyone, welcome again. Another episode on product review. So today we are going to be unboxing skincare products. I've ordered a bunch, no, let me say a collection of many brands of skincare products from China, and it's right here in this box down here. So let's get right into what this video is about. So I got Dr. Dasha skincare. I can spend my whole money in China. So this is Dr. Dasha skincare. This hasn't been even unboxed. You can see some rubber wrapped on it. It hasn't been unboxed. So let's put it right here. Yes, and oh yeah. So this one has been unboxed. This one has been unboxed. Let me open it so you guys know what is in. This is how it looks like. Very demure, very mindful, very calm, very beautiful. This is how it looks like. I've already removed the serum from here. This place. This is how it is. So if you are looking for skincare products, straight away you go and buy, because I searched for ordinary here and here and I didn't get it in where I am. So all that I can do is order them from China. It's not my fault, like I always order things. So I also have my aloe vera here. Forgive me for the background noise. That also motivates me to keep on doing the videos. So this is it. You see that? Yes, I ordered these two from China. There are many. There are many in the box, actually. There are really many. I also got vitamin C. Vitamin C. If you want your skin to glow, say glow, say glow. If you want your skin to glow, you need to get vitamin C. I need to also create a channel that will talk about skincare products. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section. So I also bought this from China. Very, very quality. Very, very quality. This is how it looks like. So tell me, I will buy one for maybe 100 cities in Ghana. That's the place I'm currently staying. Then it can buy me 4 at a time. Tell me, won't you order from China? For me, I will. If you don't me, I will. And I also have this here. I also ordered this from China as well. I have the cocoa, which I'm currently using right now. I have the cocoa I'm currently using right now. I also have my 24 gold facial mask. I also have my facial mask here. Facial mask here. And I also have ordinary glycolic acid. I also got that from China. I don't know if you can see that. I also got that from China as well. I bought 2. I'm currently using 1. And it's really good. You can see from my face that my face is lemon. Yes, I also I've already used this one. That's, I don't even know, the roller. Something roller, you use it on your face. I also bought this from China. I also got my face masks from China. I don't know how I'm hooked by China. This is the face mask I also got from China. There are many. They are countless. And they are superb. They are superb. You can see my face. You can see they are very superb as well. I also got this as well. So it's like all my skincare products. I got them from China. And I also have my facial massager. That's the brush used for your facial cleansing. I also got it. And I also have my eye mask. This one I haven't opened it. You can see that this one I haven't opened it. I've already opened one I already used here. This is the eye mask. Use it here. This is for my ladies. Well, gentles also use it though. I also have Dr. Dasha. I should have even started with this one, the sunscreen, Dr. Dasha's sunscreen. And do you know, I'm chatting with Dr. Dasha, the one who produced this. This is the WeChat accounts we currently chat. I wanted to really do a surprise, but the problem is the money. When I get money, I'm really going to collaborate with them. So I ordered them from, and I think this product is manufactured in China. It's a product of China, and it's currently leading one facial sunscreen that is leading. So I got my daughter Dasha as well. I have one I'm using here. I would have shown you how it is. It is really, really good. It smells very, very well. And I also have my lips max. My lips max is also here. Yes, and I also have my scrub, the gloves that we use for scrub. I'm already using the pink one, but this one is blue. I'm reserving it. In the future I'll use it. I also have facial blades, and I ordered all of them from China. I'll put the links in our Telegram page. I'll put all the links in our Telegram page because they are tested and verified. So when you buy from them, you are actually going to get them. They are very verified. You can buy from them. I'll put the link in our Telegram page. Yes, and let's see what I'm having show here. My cotton pads, that's the pads we use on our face when we are applying our toner or your serum or any sort of thing you use. This is for my ladies. Tell me why you want to go in. Importation is not only for personal, it's not for business as well. You can go into importation for your personal use. This thing, it costs less than 3 Ghana cedis. I'll put the price here so you know how it costs. Then you convert it into your currency and you know how this costs. I bought 3. I'm currently using one. And what again? Okay, so this is my tablet, the bust of my tablet. My tablet is here. This is the tablet I ordered. You can see it right from here. So this is the bust. You see? Then so I chose blue because I'm a favorite of, like, I love blue. I'm a favorite of it, like a fan of it. So this is how it looks like. Then I think that's all I have here. Let me see. Let me check. Yeah, that's all. So this one too is a mini printer I ordered. It's in the box. I'm only doing video on skincare products, but it seems it's in the box, so I'm just showing it to you guys. This is a mini printer I ordered. This is how it looks. Very cutie, very demure, very mindful. Yes. For China, I've ordered countless of things from there. And I'm even aiming high to go there myself and tell them, why do you keep on making me buy a lot of things like that? So this is it, and that's all that I have here. This one too is my watch. We are only doing product review on skincare. Sorry guys, I need to show you. This is the watch, my smartwatch I ordered, but it has been stolen. Let me say it has been taken. I misplaced it and someone stole it, so I need to get a new one. That's how life is. So I will see you in the next video. Please do well to subscribe and like this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you. And share for others as well. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you know what I'll say, right? Stay focused. Bye.